Climate change is a significant and long-term change in the distribution of the average weather conditions worldwide, largely due to global warming. As the name suggests, global warming is the rise in the Earth's surface temperature due to the depletion of the ozone layer caused by increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases produced by human activities, thus trapping the heat in the Earth. With the constantly rising temperatures, the ice glaciers on Earth will begin to melt, hence causing a rise in sea level. If all the ice in the world melted, there would be an estimated sea level rise of about 66 meters. This could greatly affect the world. For example, Bangkok, the capital of Thailand, has an elevation of just 2 meters above sea level. Thus, the whole city would most likely be flooded. Bangkok, being a major regional hub of business, transport, and healthcare, with many important cultural landmarks like the Golden Buddha, Grand Palace, and the Wat Phra Kaew, the rise of sea level would result in deteriorating cultural and business riches. Various popular tourist attractions will also be lost due to flooding. For example, in Patong, a beach resort and town in Phuket, facilities like the Patong Hospital, Patong Mosque, and the Safari Elephant Club will be flooded. This will exacerbate the access to the essential amenities and disrupt daily and recreational activities. In the tropical climate of Thailand, rice production constitutes a considerable portion of the Thai economy and labor force. It is the sixth largest rice producer and largest rice exporting country in the globe. Rice production is a strong tradition in Thailand that expanded in the 1960s with the government's help and large availability of farming land. Now, due to the implementation of the Green Revolution, the main producer of rice progressed from central Thailand to northeast Thailand. With the rise of sea level, flooding is inevitable. According to an interactive map, most of the coastal areas in the central part of Thailand will be engulfed in water. While they have bred a new strain of submergence-tolerant rice to counter the frequent flash floods during the monsoon season, long-term flooding breaks off the supply of oxygen of the soil and causes anaerobic fermentation of organic matter in the soil, which releases mainly methane gas. This gas contributes about 1.5% of anthropogenic greenhouse gases and is 20 times more potent a greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. Hence, long-term flooding in rice fields leads to more global warming. As central Thailand plays a big part in rice production, the flooding of the area will lead to various crops dying and massive losses in the rice business. Then the reduced supply of rice will not be able to meet the demand for rice, hence leading to a downfall in the Thai economy. As a considerable portion of the labor force in Thailand involves growing rice, hence many farmers will not be able to depend on their jobs for means of providing for themselves. Prevention is better than cure. It is important to study climate and be aware of the implications of our daily actions, thus learning to address these problems before it's too late. Hence, we should first address sea level rise by trying to reduce global warming and becoming green. Conserving the environment helps to slow global warming down. To reduce the impacts of sea level rise, barriers would be set up around the coastal areas to prevent water from reaching the inner land. Additionally, with the high sea level, one could either seek high ground inland or live on or in the water. Alas, just one country can be affected this much. How about the whole world?